Hello guys, welcome back. This video teaches you how to log into your Snapchat account. First step is open your Snapchat app. It's the white ghost outlined on a yellow background. If you don't have Snapchat yet, download it first. Tap Login. Tap the username or email field. It's the top line on the page. Type in your username or email address. The credentials must be identical to the ones you provide when you set up your Snapchat account. Then tap the password field. It's the bottom line on this page. Type in your password. Tap Login. This button is at the bottom of the page. As long as your username or email address and password match up, you will be redirected to your account. If you have forgotten your password, process to the next method.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.